to PNP Crafters. Today we are going to be making a party favor, like the jumbo cards, but I am actually going to be doing it in a standard size sheet of paper. I have some other videos on my channel where I use different sizes for the treat cards. The 11 by 14, I think is what it is, and a few other sizes. So this one though is going to be your standard sheet of paper of the 8.5 by 11. And I wanted to do this one because I have not done this one. So all I did was take a piece of leftover foam board. I got this one from Michael's. They have them at Michael's, Hobby Lobby, as well as your local Dollar Tree. And this is my sticker paper. I have that link down below. Vinyl sticker paper. You're going to need that. You're also going to need a sharp craft knife or box cutter or the heavy duty craft scissors, something of that nature. And you're going to need your hot glue gun as well as these covers here. These are treat containers. You can get these off of Amazon. I'll link it down below. You can also get this off of Walmart, and I can link that down below as well. All right, let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is attach my print here. And since it is on the sticker vinyl, it's going to attach to this perfectly. And so I'm just going to peel up this back edge first. I'm going to cut this piece off. That just makes it easier with folding. So you don't have this big, huge piece folded behind. Sometimes I do this, sometimes I don't. All right, so now that I have this on here, I'm simply going to cut this out, and I'm going to use my ruler to make sure that, of course, I keep straight edges. So I'm going to lay this here, line it up, and then cut along the sides. Okay, so now I have it all cut out, and as you can see, this fits on there perfectly. Now we're going to cut off these edges here. Okay, now that it's all cut off, we can start assembling this. And I like to lay things in here to kind of figure out what it's going to look like. So this is my rice treat. These are my fruit snacks. And then you can put in some other things, like if you want to put in a toy or something, or a Capri Sun, and then I hold it, flip it over to see how I like it. And so what I want to do is I want to bring this forward because I actually want to see the word Capri Sun. And maybe I'll just put these two in there for now. This time I'll just put these two, but you can put anything you would like in here, as well as, of course, adding these in there. And now all I'm going to do is put some glue right around here, hot glue this. And what I like to do is I like to put the glue on here and then turn this upside down and place it. But before I do that, I have to know where this falls to make sure that it lines up nicely. So what I'm going to do, I can push this up some more. So for me, if this is this little edge, I don't know if you can see that, if that is going to go flush with this, then that is going to line up perfectly. So that's how I'm going to do it, okay? This came out super cute as always. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Until next time, happy crafting.